Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. Or is it volume up? Volume up. So power and volume up instead. Now this will bring up our boot menu, and we want to select power off. Once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up. Now I did hold it for a little bit too long, so come on. You want to let go once you see the Mi logo of at least the power button. There we go. As you've seen, if you hold it for too long, it just reboots the device again. And there we go. So this will take us to the recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use the volume buttons to navigate through the options, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the couple options that we have right here. Reboot takes us back to Android. Wipe data consists of only just factory resetting your device. Connect with Mi Assistant, just a way to connect to a computer. And then safe mode will boot your device obviously into safe mode. So there we go. So I'm going to stick with the first option, which is selected. Confirm it. Reboot to system, so confirm again. And this will reboot the device and take us back to our Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.